flowing text across a document. Here I have a blank, basically a blank master, single page, facing page master, but just a single page there based on the master A. Now I want to flow text into this document and auto flow it down all the required pages. So over to File, Place, just wait a moment, find my document. Messed it up. There we go, Marriage in a Cold Climate. This is the Word document text, and open that, and you can see it's started because on page 1 there is only my name at the top, Robert Chalmers, and I know that for a fact. Now that there says right at the bottom of the screen down here, and you'll see that pop up, click to flow text in from another frame. Well, I don't want to do that just yet. Now there's a couple of strange squiggles over here. That one there, click to show the overflow text. I don't want to do that one because that will show all the overflow text at the bottom of the screen. What I want is that one there, and you'll see the little vertical bar next to it. At the bottom of the screen you'll see it says click to flow text out to another frame, or alt click to copy the frame, or shift to auto flow. So obviously we want auto flow. Hold the shift key down, click on that, and almost instantly, depending on the size of your file I guess, Marriage in a Cold Climate, if I remember correctly, is about 50,000 words. And there we go. In the left hand side you can see the text is auto flowed out. There's headings and all the other pages in there. They're very short chapters on purpose, each chapter containing, I think from memory, 1,000 words. But it doesn't matter, you can fix all that up later. For now, the text is in there. Back on page 1, and there's page 1, page 2, 2 or 3 actually, and so on. That's all there is to it.